The big news of this period is Pluto stepping over the threshold into Aquarius. If you follow astrologers online, you've probably heard of this already. But it's only going to be for a few months this year. This is actually Pluto's first dip into Aquarius since the last journey, which was from 1777 to 1798. All right. So Pluto's cycle spans almost 250 years. Pluto's last visit here included the drafting and ratification of the United States Constitution in 1789. So yes, the U.S. Constitution is going to have a Pluto return, just like the Declaration of Independence or the birth of the country itself had this past year. So that should be pretty interesting. I imagine we've all seen Pluto's ingress into Aquarius on our astrology news feeds, and we have some time to take in and digest what it means, individually and collectively, and how Pluto's journey through Aquarius will show up for all of us in the 2020s and 2030s. But here are some keywords to get you started. Pluto in Aquarius vibes, deep-reaching transformation. That's the Pluto vibe. When Pluto's in Aquarius, this will happen through the valuation of freedom and independence, the technology realm, artificial intelligence, digital media, astrology, electricity and the electrical grid, teams and groups, the social order in general, the exercise of power through intellectual superiority, whether that's real or imagined, and information networks. It's a lot to untangle, and it's just now starting. What I like about Pluto being in Aquarius is it's about as far away from Pluto in Leo as you can get. So I'm hopeful that Pluto in Aquarius will bring kind of a rebalancing of the things that were pulled out of balance when Pluto was in Leo, like around the 1940s, which was kind of the top of the baby boomer generation. I'm not going to say they're all egomaniacs, but a lot of them are. Pluto in Leo can be a lot of issues around ego.